Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, as you'll be able to tell by the title, is something a little bit different and I am super excited about it. So if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, I'll leave the link to my Instagram in the description box below so you can go and check it out. I was taking part over the last week on Instagram in the 5 Looks Over 5 Days tag, which was to raise money and awareness for Women's Aid charity, which is obviously an incredible cause. But while I was doing that, I found that I was really enjoying getting creative and I was really enjoying picking the 5 different looks for my Instagram, and it got me thinking about the sections in my vlogs where I always show you guys what I'm wearing. I always do a mini kind of outfit of the day, try and tell you where the clothes that I'm wearing are from. And I think that's a part of the vlog that you really like. I get a lot of good feedback on those sections, so I thought why not make a full video dedicated just to my clothes. So today's video is my 5 favourite outfits. Now, these are not like 5 outfits that I wear on repeat all the time. Think of this more like 5 typical outfits that you're likely to find me in. My style is quite casual and almost tomboyish with a little sprinkling of girly on there, and I've tried to pick 5 outfits that really capture that. I don't see many girls on YouTube who have a style too similar to mine, so I'm hoping that this video can bring you something a little bit different. If you do like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, as always, that really helps me out. And if you're not already, press the subscribe button, come and join me, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything else that I post in the future. And with all of that said, let's just jump straight in to outfit number 1. Okay, so this is outfit number 1 and I've kind of spoiled you for this one because this is definitely verging on the more dressy Katie than the rest of them are. But this is a kind of outfit you'll find me in if we're going for drinks, going out for dinner, maybe on a little night out. This is the kind of outfit that you'll find me in mostly. So I'll just talk you through first of all, starting with the jewellery, because the jewellery won't really change through all the outfits. So on my ears, I've always got these same 3 earrings. So I've got a stud here, a small little huggy hoop, and then a larger gold hoop. And these are the earrings that I wear every day. These don't tend to change. Same with this gold chain here. This is just a plain gold chain that I got, I think, for my 21st birthday or something, and I just wear this every day. I love how a small gold chain looks against all kinds of t-shirts. I think it just makes everything look always a little bit more tied together. So this is always on as well. And then I've always got my fingers stacked full of rings. I don't know why, I'm such a sucker for a handful of rings. So these are what I've got on. This is my engagement ring. These are 2 stacked. This is a silver and gold ring stacked. This is a signet ring that I got from Miss Oma London at Christmas time. And this hand, I have this gemstone which I got from Chelsea Market in New York last year when I was there. This is a now just plain gold band, and this is a little gemstone ring that I got for Christmas a couple of years ago as well. So they're not chosen in any particular order, I just like how my rings look all stacked up, so these again are always on my fingers. So jewellery out the way, we can start talking about the outfit. So this tank top that I've got on is actually my own take on the And Other Stories muscle tee that everyone seems to wear on Instagram these days. I didn't have one and I don't plan on buying one, so I just had this muscle fit dress in my cupboard from last summer, and all I did was I just cut it. So I just cut the dress at my kind of just my belly button, so it was long enough just to tuck into a pair of jeans, and I really like how it turned out. It's kind of just the same as the muscle tee but not. And then I've just tucked this plain black tank top into some flared jeans. These jeans are actually from Topshop about 2 or 3 years ago. I really like the fit of them. I've never really found any pair of jeans similar to them. I like how they have the insert of denim on the inside. They are really nicely fitted around the bum and around the waist, and then I like how they kind of kick out, but they're still in that culotte style that I wear a lot as well. I've just teamed them with a black belt with some gold detailing to match all of my gold jewellery. And then on my feet, I've always got either a pair of Converse or a pair of Vans on. For a kind of cover up or jacket, I always like to chuck a shirt on over any t-shirt that I'm wearing. I think it gives a really cool vibe, but also adds an extra layer for you. For this look, I've thrown on a black denim shirt that says Los Angeles on the back. I got this off of Misguided a couple of years ago. I went 2 or 3 sizes up just to give it that oversized feel, and it's probably one of the most worn pieces in my wardrobe. And for a bag, again, I'm a creature of habit with bags, and I've just gone for a black ASOS tote bag. So this is outfit number 2, and this is definitely one of my favourites. It's all cream everything. I really like the kind of clean cut look of this outfit. So I'll just start again, we can start from the very top actually. So I've got a little scrunchie in my hair for this one. I really like these kind of half up, half down hairstyles. I think they're kind of cheeky and quite cute. So I've just stuck a leopard print scrunchie in my hair, which I love. And starting from the t-shirt, I've got this oversized cream t-shirt. It's actually a band t-shirt for the 1975, but there's many variations of this t-shirt that I kind of swap out. Any oversized boxy white t-shirt or cream t-shirt goes really well with this look. It's just tucked into these, I would say, worker style pants that I found in Topshop in the sale a couple of years ago. They're just a kind of cream colour with the contrast orange stitching, and I really like them. I think they're something a little bit different, and I have just teamed that with this brown Dickies belt, which I actually stole from David's wardrobe. And with the belt, I've looped the long part through and kind of tucked it under. This is something that I started doing when I was younger, and it's just always stuck with me. I think it makes the belt look really cool. And on my feet, I've just gone for some cream socks pulled up and my good old Reebok classics. Then for an extra layer with this outfit, I always really enjoy wearing this really baggy, oversized orange jumper with these trousers. I think it just looks really nice with the orange stitching and against the cream and white. So this is a jumper that I got from Pretty Little Thing, I think, a couple of years ago. Again, with this jumper, I sized up. I tend to always size up on my outer pieces just to give it that comfy, baggy vibe. But this jumper is great and it goes with loads of different outfits. And for a bag, again, I've just opted for the black tote bag. Outfit number 3 is definitely something that you'll find me in on a Sunday, going for a brunch or going a little wander around the shops. Something really cosy and comfy, but still stylish. This is literally just a sweatshirt and a pair of jeans, but it's just the little details that you add that make it look so much more than just a sweatshirt and a pair of jeans. Let's start from the necklace that I've got on. Actually is just this set of 3. They all came together in the pack. And it's just 3 gold pendant necklaces, and I think these necklaces look great paired with just a sweatshirt or even a plain white t-shirt. They just give it that kind of put together edge that a sweatshirt just doesn't have on its own. The sweatshirt is actually from the H&M men's section. This was again David's that I have stolen from him. It's just an oversized baggy grey sweatshirt with a graphic on the front that says "Go away." I really like this sweatshirt. It's super easy, it's dead inoffensive to wear, and it goes with loads of things. But for this outfit, I've paired it with these jeans, which are my definite new favourite jeans. These are the dad style jeans from the brand Collusion, which is sold at ASOS. These jeans are super baggy and super high-waisted, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And with this outfit on my feet, I have popped on my new checkered Vans. I think with an outfit as plain and simple as this one, you can afford to be a little bit more experimental with your shoes. So I've put on these new ones that I've got, and I just think they pull the outfit all together really nicely. I've also chosen some gold circle frame sunglasses. These are from ASOS. I got them really recently. I think they are super cool and they just tie the outfit all together. For a bag, I've chosen this yellow bag, again just because the outfit's so plain. This bag is actually one that I got from the Mr. Sunday club night in New York City when I was there last year, so holds lots of memories for me. I just think it's a really cool colour and I love pairing it with simple outfits like this one. Okay, so I think if I was to be an outfit, it would be outfit number 4, this one here. I live in this kind of outfit. A tank top with some culottes or little flared jeans and Converse is probably the epitome of my style. So let's just start from the top again. I've got another little half and half This time just gone for a little cream scrunchie. I think it's quite cute. And then I have on this black tank top. This is a black tank top from Monkey and I love it. It's definitely one of my favourites. I have it in two colours. I have the black one and I have the pink one, and they're great. They fit so nicely, they skim over your body really nicely, they're not super tight, they're really lightweight, and I think they look great. I love teaming these tank tops with these kind of flared culotte style trousers. These are really similar to the trousers that I was wearing in outfit 2. Difference is that these are actually from Primark, so they were a lot cheaper. These are the same kind of stony cream colour, and this time the contrast stitching is more of a goldy brown than an orange. I really like these trousers as well. They get a lot of wear in my wardrobe, paired exactly like this with this kind of tank top, and on my feet what I've gone for is some socks, just white socks pulled up again so they peep over the top of the black Converse. With this outfit I always will be wearing a flannel shirt. I live in flannels, I love them, I think they're so versatile. For this outfit today I've chosen this green one. It's a men's flannel shirt from H&M. I think it's like a size extra large. I think it looks great just chucked over this tank top and the culottes. I think it gives a really relaxed vibe, but also it just gives you that extra layer. And for the bag, I've just opted again for a canvas tote bag, and this time it's just a cream canvas tote bag with some black detailing on it. Okay, so very last outfit is outfit number 5, and this one is super perfect for wearing to go to the shops or out for lunch or just something casual like that. I'll start with the headband that I'm wearing. This is just a leopard print hairband. I can't remember where it's from, but you'll be able to get one like this in all the shops. I think this is quite key to this outfit because the rest of it's pretty plain. We're going with a boxy white t-shirt. I honestly think every girl needs to have one of these in her wardrobe. These are the most versatile, great things ever. For a day where you can't be bothered to get yourself styled, chuck on an oversized white t-shirt and all your necklaces and you'll look like you really have been bothered to get yourself styled. This one's from Pretty Little Thing and it's one of their oversized t-shirts. I got this last summer and they changed these kind of over and over, so the style is not the same, but they always have these kind of t-shirts on that website. I've gone for a medium to get this oversized boxy fit. I've just paired it with my favourite pair of blue cropped jeans. These again are from Topshop last summer. And on my feet I've just gone for a pair of white Nike socks and some nice plain and simple black Vans just to keep it all nice and simple. For an extra layer for this outfit I've chosen this baseball style black shirt. I got this again from the men's section in H&M a long time ago and I remember being so nervous to buy this piece and I wear it all the time. I'm so glad that I bought it. I think any black shirt chucked over a white t-shirt looks great. And for a bag, we've just gone for the black canvas tote bag again. Okay, so there we have it guys, 5 of my favourite outfits all into one gorgeous little video for you. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite outfit, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. And let me know as well if you want me to do any more fashion kind of style videos. I don't know, I enjoyed doing this one so I'd be up for doing more if you want to see them. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!